Alright, this is Bucket Garden, whatever the fuck, I don't even remember now. Probably 12, 13, I don't care. But I wanted to show you, in the other video I showed about transplanting and everything. But you see, they look almost dead. They're not even close. They're just stressed real bad. This is my big black mama. And you see that nice little brown there? It was supposed to rain last night and it didn't. So I'm watering them tonight because it's supposed to rain tomorrow, but I doubt it. And I ain't letting them go no longer. A few days stressing for 4 or 5 days is fine. They produce really good for me. But other than that, I'm not trying to kill them. I'll stress them out a little bit. See, some of the other ones took pretty good to it. The 7-pot yellows. And then I got whatever the hell that is, the red one. I don't even remember now. The cool ones. Devil's tongue. I got 3 plants of them damn things that are just loaded. I probably got a small box of just them right there. And then I got my brown ones here, and I can't remember what the hell they're called. I got it written somewhere. I don't remember now. I think Dolpha or some shit like that. I don't remember. Something to that effect. I'll find it when I go to trim them. But here's some of the other ones I've stressed. Some stress more than others. And it also has to do with what they're in too. Because some of these I've done different variant things to experiment with to see how it turns out. This is JSCO Scorpion. The red one. You see how that turned out. And then these are the peach. With their little ants in them. Now the ants are killing my damn zucchinis. They're messing with them big time. But my peppers, they don't hurt them. I don't know why, they just don't. That one's pretty stressed too. The white stuff is nutrients. The I can't remember what it's called. Trace element stuff. The iron, zinc, and all that other shit. I just sprinkled it on because it was supposed to rain. And this was my surprise. There's 12 of these damn plants right here. There's 12 of these. Whatever the hell they are, I ain't got a clue. They're pretty good though. I just don't know what they are. Those are little ties. I guess from me trimming them last year and just letting the pods fall wherever they do. That's a devil's tongue that's in the ground. A few of them doing all right that are in the ground. Not very many. They got stunted. It was something experimental I tried. It worked better on the zucchini than it did on the peppers. So I'll just stick with what I'm doing with the buckets and the containers. They seem to work a lot better until I can get it down pat for the ground again. But that's a little, this is a Negomorch here. I just want to start eating these fuckers. But I know they're hotter than shit. Even my, oh, damn, big ass spider web. My bad, dude. Even my HA Fantasies are insanely hot this year. I'll try another one. I haven't put nothing on them yet. Let's see if you can see it. That's one of my little helpers right there. I just walked through another. That's a orb weaver. Those are my fuck. Woo. Woo. God damn, that bitch is hot. That's an AJ Fantasy. Motherfucker. Alright, enough of that shit. I gotta go get some water. I still don't know what the hell that is. I think that's Dolpha? Fuck, I can't even pronounce it. There it is. Yeah, 7-pot, whatever the fuck. from White Hot. That dude's got some badass shit. I'm telling you, man. I ordered a bunch of it from Pepperhead, and I got a couple of them that survived. Not very many. They were some dumb shit. But dude from White Hot, everything of his I planted fucking survived. Everything. No matter how bad my wife didn't water them. But that's it, man. I got shit growing and everything. Just want you to check it out and see what I'm doing and how it's working.